So, you want to use Voicemod on Xbox or PlayStation? Well, you found the right video. I made a video about this a year ago, and today I'm making a part 2 to that video. 1, views. 2, I also figured out how to use a headset, paid over using a headset and a mic. You should be thanking me in the comments. Now, sadly, let's talk about the cost of this project. Now, on Amazon, when I priced everything up, you're looking at about 60 quid. Obviously, if you go to your local computer shop, wiring shop, or anywhere you can buy audio cables from, obviously can be a little bit cheaper. Now, obviously I got all the stuff which I got linked down to Amazon. If you do want to buy it from Amazon straight away, if you're getting it from an order off eBay, you can get it again a little bit cheaper. Now, let's actually get to what the things you actually need. So the first bit, which also costs a lot of money, which is the Xbox headset adapter. If you're doing this on the Xbox side of things, you need the Xbox headset adapter, which connects it to the controller. For some reason, Microsoft controllers kind of block out splitters. So if you end up using like a splitter like this one, which converts a headset to mic, for some reason the Xbox controller blocks it out, into why you got to use one of these bad boys. You probably can use the Xbox keyboard as well, but honestly, probably the best bet is to actually use the headset adapter. Now, you either want to buy the official one from Microsoft themselves, or if you want to buy the Turtle Beach one, use the third-party companies which they use. Don't use like the third-party ones on Amazon, which cost like a tenner. Chances are they're not going to work. The other things which we do have to talk about, if your PC doesn't have a mic and headphone piece separately, and it has one input and is a headset put, then obviously you will need 2 of these, which then splits controller, splits mic and headset port separately. You need again 2 of these, and you will find out now why in a minute. From there, you need 2 different types of audio splitters, which you need one of 2 ways. So it has one in 2 ways, and also the other one has got a 5-way. Now this little cable does come with it. When you buy it off Amazon, it's like 4 quid. So that little audio cable does come with it, and you do need it. If you manage to find it without an audio cable, then obviously you need 3 audio cables. From there, you need 2 audio cables, which again you will find out, as well as then the other one, which then you kind of need which is the opposite splitter to the one I just showed you a minute ago, which then converts your mic and headset to one port. As well, finally, you need your Xbox headset. Make sure it's on audio, not Bluetooth. So actually a proper input in. And again, all PlayStation headset, if you're actually using it, don't use the proper PlayStation ones. It comes with your PlayStation for free. Same again with your Xbox ones. Buy a tidy brand like a Turtle Beach. Gives you better audio quality. Right, so from there, we're going to start off with the PC side of things, as I'm already next door to my PC, and this will be easier. So, obviously my PC has got a 1 input, which is a headset port, which then obviously we need the converter. So we're going to plug the converter in, which then converts to the 1 port into 2, so it has headphones as well as a mic piece. Now this is really important. You will need to do this bit. From here, then you want to grab your 2-way splitter, so you're in 1 in, 2 out. You want to grab plug it into the adapter. You want to make sure then it's plugged into your headphone the headphone piece on your adapter, not the mic, as this is again really important. From here, then you want to grab your 2 audio cables and plug it into that adapter we just plugged into our audio out. From here then, for your mic port, you want to grab your other converter, which then converts the headset and import as 2, into 1. So then what you want to do then is plug in your mic port into the mic port. So mic to mic, and then obviously headset port will connect to the Xbox controller now in a minute. Now from here, we're going to go to the Xbox controller, which we have to take a different shot for. For side of things, we need to plug in our headset adapter into the controller. Then we're going to grab our second the input, which then splits it into two, so mic and headset. We'll plug that into there. Now we want to plug our 5-way audio splitter into our headset, so like so. So boom. Then from our mic ports, you want to grab one of your audio cables from the splitter which we plugged into the PC, so into the 2-way splitter, into the mic ports. Then we want to grab the other splitter from our PC into the 5-way divider. It doesn't really matter which one it is, which one is plugged into the mic or the headset, because both of them are plugged into the audio output on your PC. So then you connect both. You can connect any of them to Voicemod. From here, then, to actually your Xbox party inside your headset, you want to grab the other side of the splitter, which then converts it into one. Plug it in the 5-way splitter, and boom. Now you got one input to set up. Then we'll grab your headset. We're going to grab your headset and plug it into that one input. Now, how this actually works is your mic goes into this headset divider. Use everything from this port. I'm just giving you a quick rundown. Use everything down from this one port. Then obviously your mic then's going to your PC, which then that's how you get a Voicemod. Then obviously it splits the audio then into two, which then converts back into the controller itself as well as the knee. Right, so from the PC side of things, which is quite easy, that's all you need is Voicemod, and obviously if you're ever going to record it, which actually do need to show you actually how to do that. So from you on Voicemod, when you open it up, it should pop up like this by default. If not, I will show you now. Now you make sure you want to make sure you're plugged in to make sure that your mic then is the right one. So in this case, it should be a default audio for both for headset as well as mic. Now we're going to click continue. Obviously then it's going to play a little demo, and then once we're going to do that, click done, and you should be able to use yourself through this headset. If not, then what you want to do is go down to settings, and then obviously you can change your mic port as well as your headset port, if that makes all entirely sense. No, I can't hear myself. And just in case if your PC does change to a different output, this is how to select the right input. Which for me it's already done that by default, but obviously they're going to ask the correct way to do it on Windows 10 or Windows 11. The Xbox side of things, I'm going to just use the audio part feature which Microsoft allowed on the Xbox, which we're going to down to your settings, go to audio advanced options, then you want to click on headset, then you want to click on volume, then you click on party chat output, then obviously you want to click headset and party, or even just speakers. Best thing is to do any side reduce ever sounds by 80% or neutral ever sounds, which probably recommend to go by 80%, at least when you still your gameplay in the background, if you still want that gameplay in the background.
Yeah, baby, I'm gonna eat you.
Where are you going?
What? What the fuck, man? This guy shook more with like gun in the head. I haven't watched that film in fucking years.
No, I haven't either. That makes me really want to watch it.
The same actor who plays the film.
I've not seen my Willie in 2 years, which is long enough to declare legally dead.
What the fuck, man?
I have to go on that film.
If you guys did enjoy this video, and hopefully you did find it helpful to use Voicemod on your Xbox Party or PlayStation Party by one headset, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you need any help. Other than that, bye for now, my friends.